This video answers the question, what is a personal language learning plan? A plan is a series of steps or actions that help someone accomplish a difficult goal. By following these different steps, the person can accomplish everything they need to and reach the final destination. It's the same thing with language learning. Language learning is a complex and difficult goal, but we can accomplish it if we set a plan and work towards it. One of the first steps of a personal language learning plan is a self-assessment. Assessment means to measure or judge, and self means our own person. So a self-assessment means to look at our ability as a language learner and decide where our strengths and weaknesses are and what we need to do in order to achieve our goal. For example, we might start by thinking about our ability in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. With each of these skills, we'd want to think about what are our strengths. In what situations are we a good user of English? And in what situations do we have some weaknesses where we avoid using the language or we struggle when we try to accomplish a task? As we think about each of the 4 language skills, we'll get better at deciding where we need to set our plan and what kinds of actions we need to practice to get better. It's also important to think about our use of vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, and culture, and how this affects our ability to listen, speak, read, and write in the language. Once we've identified our strengths and weaknesses, we can decide which skills and actions we should take to get better. Then we set our personal goals. Our personal goals might be different from our classmates because we have our individual strengths and weaknesses. But we decide which ones are most important to work on right now, and those become part of our language learning plan. They become our goals, and we'll work at them for as long as we need to. At some point, we should stop and look at our plan and think, have we been following our plan? In what ways did we succeed? How have we gotten better? And then we can set some new goals. And we can say, okay, these are things that used to be weaknesses and they're strong now. Now I want to focus on something different so I can improve in a different way. And that's the purpose of a personal language learning plan. It helps us take more responsibility for our own language learning so that with the help of a teacher or classmates, we can improve in the ways that we most need to, so that we can reach our own goals.